Let's create new model in Mongoose. I'm going to create a new directory, models. And here we need to specify the model. I'm going to create invoice.model.js. First, we need to import Mongoose. From Mongoose, and Mongoose provides the schema class. And we need to create a new schema. I'm going to create invoice schema by using the new keyword. Here we will provide all the configuration schema definition file. The first property is item. Let's say type is string. And its required property. Required should be true. And second property is quantity type, and Mongoose provide the number type. And I also have a date property, or maybe invoice date, or you can say that invoice date or due date. Type should be date. And I also have due date. Type should be date. You can also add another property, rate, or type should be number. And I'm also going to define the text. Type should be number. And finally, we need to export the schema class. I'm going to call the mongoose.model. It will return the instance of the model. Name of the model is invoice. Here we are going to provide the Mongoose schema. Invoice schema. Oops, it's giving us the warning. Use destructuring here. It is giving us the warning. We don't need to provide the new here. So Mongoose will automatically create a new instance. Everything is working now.